When you have 100 followers, it means you are creating content which is adding value. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my God, it's the time. Waiting for a long time. Okay, I just can't getting a YouTube class, but I'm going to open that. அது open பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி I want to tell you this important insight or story to it. என்னன்னா we started the YouTube journey, all right, about 4 years ago. 4 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி we posted our first video. அப்ப யோசிச்சிட்டு இருந்தோம், we do a lot of content. Why should this content not be democratized? Entrepreneurial journey democratizing to the audience, like taking entrepreneurial journey or taking entrepreneurship as a concept to grassroots levels where people do not know much about entrepreneurship. That was the fundamental reason why we started this whole thing. Probably like for the first 1 year there were like 65 or 70 people who were following our YouTube content, and then suddenly we were thinking, now I was thinking whether this is going to really work or not. Is this content what we are creating which is helping people, or are people really appreciating the content? Is it adding value? There was one video which I saw, and in that video it said, but when you have 100 followers, the first milestone is 100 followers. When you have 100 followers, it means you are creating content which is adding value. Today our journey is quite different, but this was a plaque which YouTube has sent, which is for having about 100,000 followers. Thank you so much for all your following. But I'm so glad. I would really love to know, what is the impact what we have created for you? Has it changed your trajectory? Because the purpose, what I believe in, is to transform the trajectory of people's lives. And let us go ahead and unpack this. Let's see what YouTube has sent us. Wow, this is amazing. And CEO of YouTube, Neil Mohan, has sent this. Thank you, Neil. So, do you remember your first subscriber? Oh my God. Do you remember your 100th subscriber? Do you remember your 1,000th subscriber? To my first subscriber, the 100th subscriber, and the 1,000th subscriber, and the most recent subscriber, thank you so much for your following. Chances are you do. And you know, and we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. So this was a plaque for touching 100,000 subscribers, which is 1 lakh. Your fans may have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about you through a friend. Yes, of course. And maybe you showed up as a recommended video. Thank you, YouTube, for putting us out as a recommended video. Learned through a friend. Thank you to all those people who actually, hey, there is a Sid Ahmed YouTube channel and you forwarded that. Thank you for doing that. And thank you for those folks who actually search for entrepreneurial content and positive tribe content. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community what you've built, the positive tribe community. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone for reaching 100,000 subscribers and a Silver Creator Award. We know that you have many more stories to share. Of course, there are lots and lots of stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. Thank you so much. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we are here to support you along the way. What are we about to do next? You got to decide that. And who knows, when you reach the 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? What a beautifully written letter. I just loved it. There's so much amount of intentionality. It is so personalized. Super. As we continue to grow, it is so important to remember who are the people who really actually led to your growth. YouTube's letter is a true reflection of that. And I can't wait to reach the next milestone, which is becoming the 1,000,000 or earning 1,000,000 subscribers. So let us continue to unveil this. Super. 4 வருஷம் முன்னாடி right around pandemic time, அந்த டைம்ல வந்து there was a lot of time actually on hand, and I was thinking people were going through challenges when lockdown ஆனதுனால people were stuck at homes, and I was seeing a lot of students who were going through many challenges. அப்பதான் வந்து we came up with this thought that how can we help students, because எல்லாமே ஆன்லைன்ல இருந்ததுனால how can we help students, and that is where the first YouTube content what we posted. நீங்க போய் if you go back and take a look at the earlier on content 4 yearsக்கு முன்னாடி, the kind of content what we are putting, the number of webinars and various different online group meetups what we did to educate children, to help kids, school children and college kids in overcoming the challenges. அப்பதான் வந்து then our content started changing. First, we started off with the content which is around school kids and school college children. How do we help them overcome the challenges or constraints what they have during the pandemic?
Do you remember our first show? What was the first? Graduating during a pandemic?
Graduating during a pandemic was the first show what we did. Yeah. Like, in fact, that was the first one what we did. From there, we Trichy as a story. How do we really celebrate everything about where we came from? A city which offers such impeccable talent which can help and grow organizations. So then we're talking about entrepreneurial journeys as well. So that is our journey. So most importantly, I'm a big believer in awards, because it really gives you an idea about where you really stand. Awards give you a perspective about where you are positioned in the marketplace. So this is something incredible, and I want the team actually to be holding this. You are the ones who made it happen. It's the whole team which does this, and as a result of which we've been able to create this channel. I'm just a mouthpiece. You've made me talk, and that's what I do. But thank you so much. This really means a lot. I love it. Thank you.